Every day, over 190 million tons of minerals are mined worldwide. Enterprises in the mining and beneficiation industry face many challenges daily related to the reliability of equipment under harsh operating conditions. Our task is to help beneficiation enterprises become more efficient and environmentally safe for the benefit of people, the country, and the planet. TAPP Group was the first company in Russia to build turnkey beneficiation plants. The company was established in 2012 to implement complex projects that others simply avoided. Our results are the solutions whose implementation has allowed enterprises to reach a new level of productivity and efficiency. We have become more stable in holding the load. Our productivity has increased. The load on the production line has increased by about 30%, and we've also maintained the quality of the produced products. After receiving an application, it goes to the technical department, where an analysis is made and individual projects are developed. We take into account all the specifics of the client's enterprise, create comprehensive engineering solutions tailored to each client. Our goal is to maximize efficiency and address specific production challenges. To do this, we always analyze the conditions in which the equipment will operate, selecting optimal steel grade, types of sieves, dimensions, vibration frequencies, and many other technical parameters. As practical results show, this approach fully justifies itself. When standard approaches do not work, we develop engineering solutions from scratch, adapting technologies to the unique conditions of the client. This includes design, modernization, and turnkey construction, as well as the development and integration of unique equipment with no analogs worldwide. In 2023, we completed the construction of a beneficiation plant with a capacity of 5 million tons of coal per year. The main task of the plant is to reduce the ash content of coal and increase its calorific value. The design and engineering were carried out by our company, and we also developed unique equipment, which was manufactured by our partners in China. In a record time of 10 months, we launched the equipment and began fine-tuning it. Another unique project is a plant for removing the -50 micron class from coal, with an efficiency of 90 to 95%. We built and launched a complex with a capacity of 3 million tons per year, achieving for the first time in the world the complete removal of -50 microns inclusions. During testing, the plant showed a productivity of 570 tons of coal per hour, exceeding the projected figures. The project was a breakthrough, thanks to unique technologies and equipment from TAPP Group. After the design phase is completed, all ideas are sent for production. At partner factories, our engineering solutions are brought to life. Each part undergoes strict quality control to ensure reliability and efficiency at the site. Our logistics processes are designed to minimize delivery time. For example, the custom ARCS 1830 heavy-duty vibrating screen was designed, manufactured, and delivered in just 45 days, allowing the client to quickly begin its operation. Quality after-sales service is an integral part of our philosophy. Our regional service department and spare parts warehouse in the Kuzbass region allow us to provide prompt equipment maintenance and repair. Every 2 months, we inspect the sites in the region and, if necessary, provide training and personalized recommendations on equipment operation. If any issues arise, specialists are dispatched literally within 1.5 to 2 hours. And if there are problems, they resolve them. Our solutions are simple and easy to maintain. Quality spare parts and fast replacement of worn-out components reduce plant downtime, significantly improving its efficiency. The sieves in dry screening have not been fully replaced in 3 years. We only replaced the plugs and the main screens, probably 3 to 4 pieces. So I think they will last at least another year, maybe longer. We carried out work by Open Technologies specialists to line the coal reception bunkers, which allowed us to reduce downtime during coal unloading by about 50%. Special thanks for that. Our years of experience in production and knowledge of technological processes allow us to find non-obvious solutions to increase the reliability and productivity of enterprises every time. Want to increase efficiency? Just remember one thing: TAPP Group.